MegaPack JUMBO is the ultra-robust folding system for heavy loads or products requiring extra protection. The system consists of a pallet, twin-sheet folding sleeve, and lid. Ergonomically recessed grips make the lid easier to handle. With 2 loading flaps in the sleeve, products can be inserted and removed on both sides. Also, no base insert is needed due to the closed pallet deck without footholes. Locking bars on the pallet and lid eliminate the need for additional strapping. With added seals, they also protect against manipulation and theft. The special twin-sheet folding sleeve makes the system unique. With its double-walled construction, the sleeve is extremely robust and stable, and hence offers extra product protection. Wood profiles additionally reinforce the sleeve and guarantee secure stacking, even for heavy stacking loads. The sandwich folding ensures a space-saving and cost-efficient return transport. For this, the sleeve is simply folded and stacked together with the pallet and lid. The ultra-robust folding systems are available in container-optimized dimensions for sea transport and in truck-optimized dimensions for the road transport. This is the MegaPack JUMBO, the folding system for heavy loads or products requiring extra protection.